In the realm of photography and videography, DJI stands as a beacon of innovation and excellence. The current talk of the tech town revolves around the much-anticipated DJI Osmo Pocket 3, poised to carry on the legacy of its pocket-sized camera predecessors. Sneak peeks provided by seasoned leakers Igor Bogdanov and Kanzaji on X/Twitter spilled the beans on the leaked photos, videos, and specs, offering a thrilling sneak peek into the potential wonders that the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 might unveil. While DJI remains mum on the official confirmation front, these leaks inject a hefty dose of excitement into the mix.
Did you know that 73% of visitors are more likely to make their purchases soon after watching a product video? This makes it necessary to have a product demonstration or promo video for showcasing your product's potential values and benefits. At Product Video Studio, we are equipped with camera gear, tools, and most importantly, expertise to make your video captivating and engaging. Just send your products and we'll handle the rest. Contact us today to create something amazing together.
A standout highlight in the grapevine of DJI Osmo Pocket 3 speculation is the rumored incorporation of a 1-inch sensor, marking a substantial leap forward from its forerunners. This expanded sensor holds the pledge of capturing visuals with unparalleled precision and intricacy, particularly when faced with tricky lighting conditions. Whether you find yourself amidst the brilliance of daylight or navigating the subdued ambience of a dimly lit space, the camera sets its sights on ensuring stellar outcomes across the board. Videographers and color fanatics have reason to celebrate with the reputed addition of a 10-bit D-Lock color mode in the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, which is bound to be a true game-changer. This functionality elevates the dynamic range of video footage, offering heightened versatility during the post-production color grading process. Essentially, it translates to your videos attaining a cinematic finesse, boasting richer hues and seamlessly fluid transitions. Envision a camera that marries compactness with unparalleled user-friendliness. Rumor has it that the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 might unveil a groundbreaking feature, which is a 2-inch rotating touchscreen. This inventive design empowers you to kickstart your shooting adventure with a mere twist of the screen. And beyond the initial capture, it's speculated that you'll be able to preview your shots, fine-tune camera settings, and effortlessly transition between horizontal and vertical shooting modes, all within arm's reach. In the realm of video, stellar audio is the unsung hero. Whispers suggest that the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is set to revolutionize sound recording with its trifecta of microphones. This trio vows to weave a tapestry of stereo sound, elevating the immersive quality of your audio recordings. What's more, whispers hint at intelligent wind and noise reduction features designed to keep your audio pristine and crystal clear, even when faced with formidable challenges of the great outdoors. Recognizing the individuality of each videographer's requirements, DJI seems to grasp this well. The buzz suggests the Osmo Pocket 3 is poised to accommodate expansion microphones and monitoring headphones, providing an added layer of control over your audio recording experience. Furthermore, the camera appears to be compatible with a range of accessories like threaded handles, battery life extenders, mini tripods, and the like. This adaptability ensures that you can fine-tune your camera setup to seamlessly align with diverse shooting scenarios. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is generating quite a buzz, with sightings reported within the DJI Mimo app and during field tests. Coming October 25, 2023, this device is positioned to make a splash as more than just a pocket-sized gadget, earning its stripes as a vlogging camera with unparalleled versatility. Although these insights are gleaned from leaks and speculations, one undeniable fact stands out. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 seems poised to uphold DJI's reputation for pushing the boundaries of portable camera technology. Both aspiring and seasoned videographers can eagerly anticipate the arrival of a compact dynamo set to reshape the landscape of creative possibilities. That's all for today. Thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you find this video to be helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.